Sheer charging pleasure. To ensure the high-voltage battery of your electric BMW keeps its high capacity as long as possible and grants you a lasting maximum driving range, drive and charge following these 5 rules. 1. Easy does it. Wherever you can, prefer slower AC charging at public charging stations and wall boxes. Use DC charging only on longer journeys when charging really has to be quick. 2. Not too much. Only plug in when you need to, and not after every drive. Low to medium states of charge are better for the battery's service life. 3. Just enough. Set a charging target for your usual charging routine. BMW recommends a maximum of 80%. 4. Maximum if needed. For everyday use, keep your state of charge between 10 and 80%. Charge up to 100% when you need the full range for your journey. 5. Don't go too low. Charge up before your state of charge sinks below 10%. Stay smart.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?